Hey friends, if your mobile hotspot is not showing or it's not detected on your Windows 11 laptop, then please watch this video. So here's the thing, ideally you should detect your mobile hotspot here, but at times it doesn't appear. So I say wait for a while, but if it doesn't happen, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, and then go to Wi-Fi. Okay, if you want to share the mobile hotspot connection, then the option is different. But if you want to detect it, then go to Wi-Fi, then go to show available networks and then check the list here. I'll tell you why, because when you open the list here it will take some time to load and it will keep on refreshing, but this one is the comprehensive list right in front of you, and you can check each and every network that you have ever connected to. So if you don't find your hotspot here either, then the other thing that you can do on your computer is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And if that doesn't help either, then check if the hotspot is appearing on other devices. If it is, and if it is just not appearing on your computer, then the conclusion is that your system does not support it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.